Audio Jungle.
Welcome back in this lecture. And this lecture we will send the AJAX request to database, and we will pitch the messages from database. Okay, so first of all we need to send the AJAX request to database and pitch the messages from the database. Okay, so go to chat.js. Okay, and now after the document.ready body. Okay, here. Okay, outside of the document.ready body. Okay, here create a function. Okay, function show messages. Okay, so show messages as the method name. Okay, so and here the body of the method, and here call the method. Okay, show messages. Perfect. So now inside this method, what we need to do, we need to send the AJAX request. Okay, and here add a comment, send show messages. Show messages. Okay, yes. Okay, from database. Okay, perfect. So now here send the AJAX request. Okay, so $sign.ajax. Okay, and here type equal to get, not post. Okay, because we are getting data from the database. Okay, so we need to use the get method. Okay, not the post. Okay, you can also use the post method. Okay, you can also use the post type, but now in this condition we are patching the data from the database. Okay, so we need to use the get type. Okay, perfect. Now here URL. Okay, URL. So here add inside the AJAX folder we will create the page show messages.php. Okay, so we are sending the AJAX request to this page. Okay, inside the AJAX folder show messages.php. So copy this file name and now go to AJAX folder, and inside the AJAX folder create new file with this name. Okay, show messages.php. Okay, perfect. So after that here data. Okay, so we are only getting the data. Okay, but still here create a variable. Okay, var message. Okay, equal to true. Okay, just true. Okay, and here message. Okay, message. Okay, or here add message. Okay, message. Perfect. And now here success. Okay, so here feedback. Okay, perfect. So now let's go to this page. Okay, show messages.php. Okay, and here let's say for now add alert. Okay, not alert, but for now leave this one. Okay, and now go to show messages.php. Okay, and here first of all we need to include the init.php. Okay, so let's go to send emoji, and from here just copy this one. Okay, here include. Okay, and now here create the class object. So obj new base class. Okay, so base so obj is the base class object. Okay, so now here f set. Okay, $_get, because here we have the get type. Okay, here we have the get type, so here use the get type. Okay, f set get. Now f this set. Okay, this variable. Okay, put here perfectly. And now here let's say for now echo, let's say $_get message. Okay, and now go to chat.js. Okay, and here target this class. Basically go to components, and here go to messages.php. Okay, and target this class. Okay, this one, copy from here, and here dot, and now the class name dot html, and here display the feedback. Okay, inside the messages class. Okay, now let's go to the browser. Okay, what happened? Okay, because here we have the true, so it's working, okay, without any problem. Okay, because here we have the true value. Okay, you can see here the value is true. Okay, so now inside the show messages.php, this variable is set. Okay, and here we have simply the echo. So for now remove this one, but here we will send we will fetch the data from the database. Okay, and we will use the join query. Okay, so for now, thank you. And the next video we will fetch data from the database, and we will use the inner join query. Okay, so for now, thank you so much, and see you in the next video.